get a great better, baby.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and show me some love. If you're an old subscriber and you haven't done so, please don't forget to subscribe and show me some love, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare tiger nut milk, popularly known as kunun here in the north. As you can see here, I have dates, I have tiger nuts and coconuts. Sorry, I forgot to add ginger to the video, but I added ginger while blending, so please don't forget to add ginger so it will give it that nice flavor, guys. So here I've soaked my dates. You're going to soak your dates from morning. Soak your dates, your tiger nuts from morning maybe till evening to soften it. As you can see here, it's soft enough to be blended. So I chopped my coconut little sizes, so that it will be easier for my blender to blend smoothly, guys. It's gonna make the whole thing look cool and sweet. So guys, one thing I want to tell you is that please, when making your tiger nut milk, here I use the fresh tiger nuts. Reasons: because I didn't find the dried one in the market because it was Sunday that day, so I had to get this one. So please, when making it, try to get the dry tiger nut. It's more milkish and it will give it the sour taste. Here, after making it, I got that little sour taste, so please don't use the fresh one, okay? So you all enjoy your kunu aya. Here we have the coconuts, we have the tiger nuts, and we have the ginger, and we have the dates, all in blender, ready to be blended. After blending to a smooth paste, the next thing I do is I filter it. Filter it with water. Please don't add plenty water, just add a moderate water that will make it thick and creamy. Yeah, so I added little water in it and I filtered it to give me that creamy taste, guys. That's sweet taste. Yeah, and I didn't add sugar. Yeah, because the date is already sweet, so the date presents the sweetener in it, guys, and that's just it. Thanks for watching.